But before we start our lesson, let's check our answers for last lesson's quiz. In example A, the Dhamma sound was incorrect. The lips were not rounded correctly. Listen to the wrong sound followed by the correct sound.
كانوا 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 كانوا.
As for example B, the kasra sound was incorrect. The middle of the tongue was not raised properly. Listen to the wrong sound followed by the correct sound.
المغرب 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 المغرب.
In example C, the fatha was incorrect. The jaws were not separated at all. Listen to the wrong sound followed by the correct sound.
أعوذ 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 أعوذ.
Lastly, in example D, the kasra sound was incorrect. Again, the middle of the tongue was not raised properly. Listen to the wrong sound followed by the correct sound.
به 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 به.
Now let's start our lesson. In this lesson we will learn about Sukoon, how it looks like, and how and when it should be pronounced. Sukoon. Sukoon in Arabic means stationary. It is the opposite of haraka, which means movement, such as in fatha, separation of the jaws, in kasra, dropping of the lower jaw and raising the middle of the tongue, and in dhamma, the rounding of the lips, as we explained in lesson 1. A second letter is a letter with sukoon. Each second letter is pronounced by originating from its point of articulation without any additional movement. For example,
أح أف أذ.
the sukoon shape is taken from the top part of letter kha without a dot, from the word khafif, which means not mushaddad.
أنعمت.
On the other hand, the circle that you see in the Quran on the top of some letters means that this letter is silent. It is not sukoon as used in other Arabic books.
قالوا أولئك أفإن.
A second letter is either a letter with a sukoon sign on top of it, or a letter without any haraka at all. If the second letter has the sukoon sign, we pronounce it clearly.
الجبال أنعمت.
But if the sukoon is not written on top of the second letter, then we should check the rule. It might be that the letter will be silent.
السماء وقل ربي قد تبين.
Or it will be pronounced in a different way depending on the rule. Maybe we will hide the letter or merge it with the following letter.
أن جاءه فمن يعمل.
We will study more about Sukoon and these rules later on in the next level, inshallah.